The modern battlefield is no longer defined only by tanks and soldiers on the ground. Today, the sky has become just as dangerous as the land. Fighter jets, cruise missiles, drones, and even ballistic threats can strike targets within minutes. To counter these airborne dangers, nations rely on advanced air defense systems. One of the most respected and widely deployed systems in the world today is the NASAMS missile system. NASAMS stands for National Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile System. It is a medium-range air defense system designed to protect cities, military bases, airports, and critical infrastructure from aerial threats. Developed through cooperation between the United States and Norway, NASAMS has become a key element of modern air defense strategies across many countries. The origins of NASAMS go back to the late Cold War era. In the 1980s and 1990s, Norway needed a flexible and modern air defense system capable of countering advanced aircraft and cruise missiles. At the same time, the United States was developing highly effective air-to-air missiles. By combining American missile technology with Norwegian radar and command systems, NASAMS was born. The system officially entered service in the 1990s and has since undergone continuous upgrades. What makes NASAMS unique is its network-centric design. Unlike older air defense systems that relied on a single radar and launcher unit, NASAMS is built as a distributed system. This means its radars, launchers, and command centers can be spread over a wide area and connected through secure data links. This design increases survivability, flexibility, and effectiveness against modern threats. At the heart of the NASAMS system is the AIM-120 AMRAAM missile. Originally developed as an air-to-air missile for fighter jets, the AMRAAM was adapted for ground launch in NASAMS. This missile uses active radar guidance, meaning it can guide itself to the target during the final phase of flight. Once launched, the missile does not require continuous radar illumination from the ground, allowing NASAMS to engage multiple targets simultaneously. The AMRAAM missile is highly reliable and combat-proven. It can intercept aircraft, drones, and cruise missiles with high accuracy. Depending on the variant used, NASAMS can engage targets at ranges of up to 25 to 40 kilometers and at various altitudes. Newer versions, such as the AMRAAM-R, extend this range even further, providing greater coverage and improved performance. Another important component of NASAMS is its radar system. The system typically uses advanced 3D radars capable of detecting, tracking, and identifying multiple targets at the same time. These radars can spot fast-moving aircraft as well as low-flying cruise missiles that attempt to evade detection by flying close to the ground. Because NASAMS can integrate different types of radars, it can be customized to meet the specific needs of each country. The Fire Distribution Center, or FDC, acts as the brain of the NASAMS system. This command and control unit collects data from radars, sensors, and external sources such as other air defense systems or aircraft. It analyzes threats, prioritizes targets, and assigns missiles to intercept them. The FDC allows operators to make rapid decisions, even in complex and fast-changing combat environments. One of the greatest strengths of NASAMS is its modularity. Countries can deploy a small configuration to protect a limited area or expand the system to cover large regions. Additional launchers, radars, and sensors can be added without redesigning the entire system. This modular approach makes NASAMS both cost-effective and adaptable to future upgrades. NASAMS launchers are usually mounted on trucks or trailers, making them highly mobile. This mobility allows the system to be relocated quickly to avoid enemy attacks or to protect new areas. Each launcher can carry multiple missiles, and reloads can be performed relatively quickly, ensuring sustained defensive capability during prolonged operations. In modern warfare, drones have become a serious threat. Small, inexpensive unmanned aerial vehicles can be used for surveillance or even as weapon platforms. NASAMS has proven highly effective against drones due to its advanced sensors and precision-guided missiles. The system can track small targets and neutralize them before they reach their objective. Another critical threat NASAMS is designed to counter is the cruise missile. Cruise missiles fly at low altitudes and use terrain-following techniques to evade radar detection. NASAMS radars and networked sensors are specifically designed to detect and intercept these stealthy threats, providing a vital shield for defended areas. Over the years, NASAMS has been adopted by many countries around the world. Nations in Europe, North America, Asia, and the Middle East use NASAMS to protect their airspace. The system gained significant global attention when it was selected to defend major cities and government sites, including high-profile locations. Its deployment in real-world conflict zones has further demonstrated its effectiveness and reliability. The system's performance in modern conflicts has reinforced its reputation as a dependable air defense solution. NASAMS has successfully intercepted hostile aerial targets, proving that it can operate under real combat conditions, not just in tests and exercises. This combat experience has increased confidence among military planners and decision-makers. Another advantage of NASAMS is its interoperability. The system can be integrated with other air defense platforms, fighter aircraft, and allied command networks. This makes it ideal for joint operations, where multiple countries work together to defend shared airspace. In NATO operations, NASAMS plays a key role as part of a layered air defense strategy. Training and maintenance are also important factors in NASAMS' success. The system is designed to be user-friendly, with advanced software interfaces that reduce operator workload. Simulation-based training allows crews to practice responding to complex attack scenarios without firing live missiles. This improves readiness while keeping costs under control. As threats continue to evolve, NASAMS continues to improve. Ongoing upgrades focus on better sensors, longer-range missiles, improved software, and enhanced resistance to electronic warfare. Future versions are expected to be even more capable against hypersonic threats, advanced drones, and coordinated swarm attacks. In strategic terms, NASAMS provides more than just physical protection. It acts as a deterrent. When adversaries know that a country has a capable air defense system like NASAMS, they are less likely to attempt air attacks. This deterrence effect contributes to national security and regional stability. From a financial perspective, NASAMS offers a balanced solution. While advanced air defense systems can be extremely expensive, NASAMS provides high performance at a relatively manageable cost. Its ability to use existing missile technology, such as AMRAAM, helps reduce development and logistics expenses. In summary, the NASAMS missile system represents a modern, flexible, and highly effective approach to air defense. Its network design, proven missiles, advanced radars, and modular architecture make it suitable for defending against a wide range of aerial threats. Whether protecting cities, military installations, or critical infrastructure, NASAMS has proven itself as one of the most reliable air defense systems in service today. As air threats continue to grow more complex and unpredictable, systems like NASAMS will remain essential. They not only defend against attacks but also provide nations with confidence, security, and strategic advantage. In an age where control of the sky can determine the outcome of conflict, NASAMS stands as a powerful guardian of the airspace.